Meaning of cymbalom. Cymbalom. Cymbalom.
Cymbalom. Cymbalom. The cymbalom is a musical instrument that originated in Eastern Europe. It is a type of hammered dulcimer, consisting of a trapezoidal-shaped box with metal strings stretched across its top. The musician plays the cymbalom by striking the strings with mallets or hammers. The instrument has a bright and percussive sound, and is often used in traditional folk music as well as in contemporary genres such as jazz and classical music. Its unique timbre and versatility have made it a popular instrument in many parts of the world.